In this video, I'll show you how to download InShot in laptop. This video is only for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now go to your browser, type in inshot.com. So this is going to come out. Once this comes out, you're going to be able to see Get InShot. So click on it. So you're going to be able to see App Store and Google Play. So make sure the Google Play is currently installed here on your PC, on your device. So once yours is installed, once you click on it, click on Google Play. So this is going to come out. So once your Google Play has been installed here on your PC, it can be easy for you to be able to install and download the InShot video editor here on your PC. So just once you click on this install, you're going to be able to install and download the InShot in your laptop. So make sure the Google Play is currently installed in your laptop. So make sure you can watch videos about it. I can be able to do that. So once you do that, it's going to be easy for you to be able to do this. If you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next video.